And some important commentary coming in from Kumara Mangalam Birla. He's saying that India right now is at the forefront of development and positioned to be the engine of global growth. Let's listen in.
Are being launched every day, and UPI transactions worth 16,000 crores rupees are processed. This is just another day in India. And guess what? Every minute, 30 people are moving from a village to a city, a striking testament to rapid urbanization. Over the last decade or so, India has built a path-breaking collection of public-facing digital platforms which have been truly transformative in the lives of our citizens. The digital edifice has been painstakingly built in India and covers payments, identity, data management, and commerce. This has no other parallel in the world. We have demonstrated at extraordinary scale the power of digital as a force for good, both for business and for society. Transactions on UPI have grown at a staggering rate of 140% CAGR from 1 lakh crores in FY18 to almost 200 lakh crores in FY24. And since its launch in Jan last year, ONDC has facilitated almost 50 million transactions whilst growing its network to that of 3.8 lakh sellers. India today, without doubt, therefore, is the global leader in developing digital public infrastructure. And as an example, Philippines has embraced our Aadhaar-like technology, and 76 million of its 110 million people now have a digital identity like all of us here in India. As India takes center stage to shape the future of the global economy, the Aditya Birla Group, all of us, find ourselves in a very unique situation to contribute to this very transformative journey. As we navigate through the dynamic landscape of India's economic resurgence, our diversified businesses stand as pillars of growth. From metals to cement, fashion to financial services, textiles to trading and real estate to renewables, our businesses have played their part in driving progress and shaping in their own way the future of the nation. The ABG network serves over 250 million customers across 14 sectors, commanding a leadership position across key industries including cement, metals, fiber, financial services, fashion retail, and chemicals. As we advance into 2024, the launch of 2 new consumer-facing ventures marks the group's commitment to constructing a growth platform characterized by a unique confluence of strength and breadth. Just last month, we launched our paints business with an initial investment of rupees 10,000 crores, as you know, and in a few months, we will be launching a jewelry retail venture with an initial investment of rupees 5,000 crores. I'm proud to share that Aditya Birla Capital is one of the fastest growing companies within the Aditya Birla Group today. This in both in terms of accelerated growth trajectory and profitability. And today, as we stand at a pivotal juncture where our ambition, imagination, and performance now dictate a bold, transformative future, this is as much true for India as it is for us as a group. The financial services sector in particular will play a very crucial role in driving today's multi-decadal growth vision forward. From banking to insurance, from fintech to wealth management, we have witnessed unprecedented growth and dynamism across the sector. At the heart of this transformation lies data, digital, and technology, which is advancing, as all of you know, at lightning velocity, unleashing breakthroughs across the industry. Over the years, our financial services business, Aditya Birla Capital, has emerged as a key growth engine for our group, and I see this as a coming-of-age moment for Aditya Birla Capital. So let's put our hands together for all of you. Congratulations. Aditya Birla Capital has now emerged as all of you know, as a leading financial services conglomerate with over 4 lakh crores in assets under management, and we are perhaps the only few franchises other than banks who have all the products that a customer needs under one umbrella, that too as a manufacturer. The numbers speak for themselves. Consolidated revenue grew by 22% year-on-year during the first 9 months of FY24. Profit after tax has grown by 44% during the same period. Each business in Aditya Birla Capital has demonstrated strong performance over the years. Our NBFC business has grown from an AUM of 50,000 crores to an AUM of 100,000 crores in just the last 2 years, which makes us the fourth largest diversified NBFC in the country. Profitability has also grown by 2 times in 2 years. Going forward, the recently proposed merger of our NBFC business into Aditya Birla Capital, which is already listed, will further create a unified, large entity with greater financial strength and flexibility, enabling direct access to capital. Moving on to our housing finance business, we have witnessed accelerated growth with 27% year-on-year growth, and profit in the same period has grown by 25%. Our health insurance business is one of the fastest growing standalone health insurance players in the industry, driven by a unique health-first model. It has also raised capital in FY23 from a marquee sovereign wealth fund, ADIA, and this transaction valued the health insurance business at $800 million. In the life insurance space, we are one of the leading players with a total premium of 11,000 crores in the first 9 months of this financial year. Our AMC business continues to be the largest non-bank asset manager in India. It crossed the milestone of 3.11 lakh crores AUM as of December 2023. That deserves a big applause, I think. The growth across our businesses has been aided by the expansion in the branch network. Aditya Birla Capital has added over 500 branches in the last 2 years, taking up pan-India physical presence to about 1,500 branches while serving 35 million customers. The markets have also responded favorably, as you know, to our concerted initiatives, and in the last 2 years, Aditya Birla Capital's market cap has grown by 111%, crossing the 50,000 crore mark. And this, we should add quickly, is just the beginning. This underscores investor and market confidence in the collective potential of Aditya Birla Capital. Looking forward, as digital financial services continue to underpin the fabric of the financial services sector, we envision leading the charge in reshaping the future of financing through a consumer-first and digital-first approach. This has culminated into the development of our all-inclusive customer-facing platforms. These platforms are interoperable and will be leveraged to drive synergy across the group ecosystem. Last year, we rolled out our unified and differentiated digital lending platform called Udyog Plus to help the MSME segment to avail seamless lending and value-added services and tap into the vast potential of an inclusive e-commerce system. This platform is integrated with the ABG ecosystem and is emerging as a one-stop financial solution for the MSME category. To further strengthen our customer proposition, today we are happy to announce the launch of yet another platform, this time an omni-channel D2C platform to acquire new customers in a seamless manner. The genesis of Aditya Birla Capital Digital, or ABCD, lies in our endeavor to adapt and address the shifting consumer